Are you over 50 and looking for heart-healthy foods to incorporate into your diet? As we age, prioritizing heart health becomes increasingly critical. Our diet plays a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy heart, especially after crossing the half-century mark. The right foods can help manage cholesterol levels, control blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. So, what's on the menu for a heart-healthy lifestyle? Stay tuned to find out the 7 superfoods that are perfect for heart health after 50. Let's dive into our first superfood, berries. Packed with heart-healthy nutrients, berries are a great source of antioxidants. These tiny powerhouses help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major culprits in heart disease. Additionally, their high fiber content aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, further promoting heart health. From blueberries to raspberries, strawberries to blackberries, each variety brings its unique blend of nutrients. So make sure to include a handful of berries in your diet regularly. Moving on to our second superfood, fatty fish. These aquatic delights, notably salmon and mackerel, are swimming in omega-3 fatty acids. Now, why should we reel them into our diet? Well, these essential fatty acids are known to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, both of which are crucial in maintaining a healthy heart. Not to mention, they're a delicious way to keep your ticker in top shape. So don't let this fishy opportunity slip away. Aim to include fatty fish in your meals at least twice a week. Next up is a favorite for many, dark chocolate. This sweet treat is more than just a dessert. It's a heart-healthy powerhouse. Dark chocolate is loaded with antioxidants which can help combat free radicals in your body. It also contains flavonoids, compounds that have been shown to lower blood pressure and improve blood flow to the heart and brain. But before you reach for that chocolate bar, remember, moderation is key. A small piece of dark chocolate can go a long way in promoting heart health. Our fourth superfood is whole grains. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with fiber, a vital component for a healthy heart. Fiber not only aids digestion but also helps in lowering cholesterol levels. Whole grains like barley, quinoa, and millet also contain other heart-friendly nutrients such as B vitamins, antioxidants, and trace minerals. And the best part, they can be effortlessly incorporated into your meals. From a warm bowl of oatmeal at breakfast to a serving of brown rice at dinner, there are many delicious ways to include whole grains in your diet. Now let's talk about our fifth superfood, avocados. These creamy green fruits are a powerhouse of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They're not just tasty, but also work wonders in reducing bad cholesterol levels and increasing the good ones. Plus, they're packed with fiber and potassium, which further support your heart's health. Whether you mash it on toast, slice it into a salad, or blend it into a smoothie, avocados are a versatile and delicious way to promote heart health. The sixth superfood on our list is green tea. This soothing beverage is not only a great way to start your day, but it's also a powerhouse of heart health benefits. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your heart by reducing inflammation and preventing cell damage. Moreover, green tea promotes improved blood flow, which is essential for a healthy heart. So if you're looking for a heart-healthy alternative to your morning joe, consider swapping your morning coffee with a refreshing cup of green tea. Last but not least, our seventh superfood, almonds. These nutrient-dense nuggets are packed with monounsaturated fats and fiber, both champions in maintaining heart health. They help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase the good. A handful of almonds can be a great addition to your heart-healthy diet. There you have it, 7 superfoods to keep your heart healthy after 50. Berries, fatty fish, dark chocolate, whole grains, avocados, green tea, and almonds. These foods are your allies in maintaining heart health. Remember, it's never too late to start making heart-healthy choices, so why not start today?